Fort Lauderdale, located in the southeast part of Florida, about 30 miles north of Miami, is one of the most popular and attractive tourist destinations in the United States. Fort Lauderdale is not only a resort paradise, but also hosts many cultural events, music, and festivals year-round, attracting millions of visitors from around the world. Fort Lauderdale Beach is located in the city of Fort Lauderdale. This city is located in the southeast of the state of Florida, with a particularly favorable geographical position on the Atlantic coast. Favorable geographical location and warm tropical climate all year round have turned Fort Lauderdale into an ideal destination for beach tourism and relaxation activities. Fort Lauderdale is located in a tropical monsoon climate zone with warm and pleasant weather year-round. Average temperatures range from 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, with hot, humid summers and warm, rarely frosty winters. The city also receives abundant rainfall, especially in summer, which helps maintain a lush and rich landscape. Lauderdale Beach is not only famous for its beautiful scenery, but also attracts hot girls from all over to enjoy the golden sunshine and blue sea. The girls here often wear colorful bikinis, highlighting their sexy and healthy beauty. Not only are they attractive, the girls in Fort Lauderdale are also very friendly and active, often interacting and making friends with tourists. A walk on the Fort Lauderdale Beach is a wonderful experience, bringing a sense of relaxation and peace. As the sun begins to set, along the fine white sand, you can feel the cool ocean breeze blowing, hear the waves gently lapping against the shore, and watch the vibrant colors of the sunset reflected on the sky. Fort Lauderdale Beach offers countless benefits to everyone, from local residents to international visitors. This is the perfect place for people to enjoy outdoor activities such as swimming, sunbathing, jogging, and playing water sports, contributing to improving physical and mental health. Join us to explore wonderful journeys and experience memorable moments at Wandering Channel. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos about fascinating places, beautiful beaches like Fort Lauderdale, and fun activities around the world.